I just added my golden Oreos to my baking sheet. And now I have my bright white candy melts, and I'm just gonna add those to my measuring cup here, just like that. And now we're gonna put this in the microwave. All right, there we go, all melted. I'm gonna use a little scooper. This is an ice cream scooper, and we are just going to put 1 dollop on each cookie, just like that. Ooh, these are gonna be so delicious. You will love this dessert, so easy. And you can really use any kind of chocolate melt. This is just what I happen to have, so I am using these white melts. You can also use the almond bark, which will be really good too, because that's like a vanilla flavor. All right, let's just finish these last couple right here. All right, perfect. Now let's just go ahead and press these down so we get it to cover the entire cookie. Yum. Oof, look at that. Now the almond bark's probably gonna melt a little bit better than these melts melted for me. These do great if you're using it in like a candy melter, but they didn't work as good in the microwave, but that's okay. It's still gonna turn out just the same. All right, almost done here. Just a couple more that we wanna finish covering. And some of it is a little bit thick. That's okay too. If you like it a little bit thick, or you can do it thinner if you like it a little bit more thin. Oh, but look how great that's turning out already. All right, and now we have our birthday cake kisses. Yum. All right, now that we got those unwrapped, we are going to put these on one at a time, right in the center of each one of our little white chocolate candies here. I guess you can call it chocolate. White candy. All right, just a few more to go here. Get one on each one of these and it's going on perfectly. Woo, look at that. And now I have my Fusion Holiday Sprinkles. I'm just gonna get that cut open. All right, and now we are just going to add these on top, just like that. Oh, look how good these look. It looks so festive. Ready for the holidays already. I know it's early, but I am ready. How about you? All right. Woo, look at that. So good. All right. All right, we are all set. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Yum. Wow, look at that. Oh, this looks so good. All right, now I got my spatula, and I'm going to scoop these off onto a platter. Do seem to come off very easily because it is just cookie on the bottom. So we're gonna put all of these on here. Let's see if we can get them all to fit. I love a good challenge. Almost got them all here. Oh, these are perfect. Look at that Hershey's Kiss in the middle. That looks so good. Making a little bit more room so we can fit these last two on here. Oh no, one more. Oh, there we go. Let's move this out of the way. Ooh, look at that. Yum, this looks so good. These came out so amazing. Oh, I can't wait to try one. I'm just going to grab one here. Let's just go ahead and let's take this one because it's kind of small. Oh, all right, here we go. Mmm, so good. Mmm, it's delicious. Mmm, so good.